Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put our quad seals on. Slip into the grooves on the piston head. Then we're going to attach our piston rod. Washer on the bottom. Piston rod goes in. Loctite. Nut. And piston head is done. Next we have the O-rings, one on each end cap. This is your top end cap. This is your bottom end cap. O-rings fit in the grooves in the end caps. Then you have your wiper, which is a harder plastic. That goes in the bottom groove with the end cap facing up at you like this. And you just place it in the groove and then push it in. Next you have your U-cup, which is your actual piston seal. That goes in the top groove. And again, you just kind of work it into the groove and make sure it's all in and flush. And next, we take our bottom end cap. We add Loctite to the bolt holes. Put your spacer on. Put your mounting plate on. And then attach it with 4 1/2-inch bolts. And we're going to take our barrel, put a little bit of oil at the top of it just to help the O-rings slide by. And place your top end cap. And flip it up. Put more oil inside just to lubricate the cylinder. And you take your piston head, put a little bit of grease on it as well. Push it in. A little bit of oil on the shaft itself. And a little bit just on the seals themselves. And then you attach your 4 tie rods, which I have to lean back for pop. You place your tie rods in. Lay the cylinder down. And then attach your nuts on the bottom of the tie rods. tighten the tie rods in a crossover manner. And we cycle the cylinder. And then we test the cylinder to be sure there's no leaks. And then lastly, you attach your coupling. You place the coupling on, you wind it all the way to the very end, so there's no gap between the coupling and the piston rod. And then you just take a hammer to tighten it down. And then line up your lockout with your lockout pole. And your cylinder is complete.